forever to come out and shit. What's good, YouTube? We got another POV drive. This is how she's looking. Let me check how I was looking as recording. The nighttime quality is not really the best on this camera, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. But the daytime definitely is good. If y'all did watch my video that I did upload earlier, well, I don't know, depending on when I post it, it might be the next day or probably the day after, depending on how it looks like. But I hope y'all can hear me right now. Just wanted to do a little quick walk around, feel me, see how it's looking. There's my man's right here. I'm gonna drop his at and shit. But we finna just drive around the city. I'm gonna cut the video. I mean, I'm not gonna cut the video. I'm gonna stop talking so much and actually get to the driving portion.
A few moments later.
Alright. I hope this is good enough. It shows that it's recording. Let me just keep this out here like that. Yeah, see I got the backup camera on for the flames and shit. My man's is right in front of me. I don't know why, but my flames be taking forever to come out and shit. Let me roll the windows down for y'all a little bit so I can get some raw hearing. Damn, this shit popping. Damn, I hate these lights, man. Man, I love this car. It should sound good. All Oh, look at the little flames. It's kind of cold, y'all, I'm not gonna lie. Hope y'all enjoying though. Look, he about to do some stupid shit. I'm not trying to gain too much attraction. Damn. Damn. Bro, this kid's really in the middle of the road, bro. What you got going on? Great place to park, buddy. What he doing? Why he stopped right here for? Yo, what happened?
Dead end.
This man. We over here causing this ruckus on people's place and shit. Cause you don't know how to drive. It's cold, y'all, I'm not gonna lie. Whoa, I'm not even paying attention to the road. Damn! I know y'all heard that. GoPro's doing good. It's a little cold. Some of this is the dead end. Where is he taking me? I think I might cut the video short from here.